In this video, I want to talk about these Dap Eclipse Rapid Wall Repair Patches. These are an awesome option for the DIYer that doesn't have a very high skill level, or for people who just like to get things done quickly, and there's virtually no mess with this, and it is almost instant. You can paint it right away. Typically, what you would do with a hole like this is something like this. You would buy a sheet of drywall, or if you're lucky, you have one left over, cut a hole out, cut the patch in, attach it to some wood pieces that you fasten in there. Then you do drywall tape, 2 or 3 coats of joint compound, drying and sanding in between, and then sanding the final coat, and then you're finally ready to paint it. With these, it is, like I said, almost instant. It's literally just a sticker that goes on and you paint over it. If you want your wall to look absolutely perfect, you can do it that way and you can put your skills to the test. With this, if you're not concerned about it looking like a sheet of glass, or in this case, there's a mirror going over this, so we're not concerned with how it looks. Say you slammed your doorknob into the wall, you want to fix it real quick. Maybe you took a hook off the wall, you got a party coming up, you just want to patch it so it's not unsightly. That is the benefit of these. I'll show you exactly how easy it is. First thing I'm going to do is just make sure that this is somewhat flat. Scrape off all these kind of high spots. You might have to sand yours down, and if you have texture on here, just try and scrape the texture off. And now the patch, you'll notice, remove after first coat of paint. So you don't want to take this off. Basically, what happens is you put this patch on and you paint over it, including this, immediately. And that is going to fill in the edges just a little bit. This is like the thickness of a sticker, but that'll make it so that it will be close to seamless as possible. So first thing you do is take the back off of this sticker, peel it just like a sticker, center this in the hole here, and when you press it in, only press against the drywall. Don't press in the center. And that sticks really well. And then you want to put 1 coat of paint on this immediately. All right, first coat is on, and then you want to let this dry, and then you can peel this off and do a second and even a third coat. The more coats you put on it, the more this gets filled in and the more seamless it is. First coat is dry, so now we can peel this off right here. Okay, now we do a second coat. Pro tip, fan on paint makes it dry faster. Third coat. Now we dry the third coat completely. After the 3 coats of paint are dry, from back here you can't even tell. If you get close, you can see the edges. But the more coats you put on this, the better it's going to look. So if you push on this, obviously you can see it moves. So it's not perfect. It's a sticker, but it's pretty cool. But the biggest benefit of this is the time you save and how easy it is. Using that fan, this took maybe 15 minutes. This is great if you maybe live in an apartment and you had a whoopsie and you want to cover that up real quick. Or if it's your house and you don't mind the way it looks, or if you got a mirror going here or a picture or whatever, this is a great option. So I hope this video helps. Thanks for watching.